In this video, we are going to discuss about accounting in financial management. So, what is accounting and how the accounts will be maintained in financial management? Coming to accounting, a mechanism to track what has been spent and where it has been spent. So, we will be having a clear accounts of what needs to be purchased and how much amount we have to provide to get that purchase. So, if you take an example of a software is required for an organization. So, they need 5 licenses. So, per license it cost example of 200 rupees. So, for 5 licenses it cost 1000 rupees. So, this will be maintained in a separate ledgers or sale deeds etc. will be maintained in account. So, we can know what has been spent and where it has been spent. Maintain accounts of incoming and outgoing monetary fund. Here monetary fund is actually involved with money. So, monetary fund of incoming and outgoing will be maintained in the accounts. Accounting involves maintaining detailed ledgers of daily expenditure which is involved or incurred during the implementation of a service. As I said, an example of a software which is required for an organization. So, a separate table or separate book will be maintained for the incoming funds and outgoing funds, so that we will be knowing about the purchases and also about the profit which we have been getting in the service implementation. Helps an IT organization track costs for each customer service or activity. So, it will be easy for the IT organization to track the cost which has been incurred or involved in implementation of IT service, and also you can see that it also manages activities by preparing some processes and functions about this expenditure, so that they will be having an idea for next year how many licenses needs to be purchased in the said example. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the cost unit and cost types and its categories.